What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to mine the Blum coin. So for that the process is very simple. First thing first, you have to attach your Blum with your Telegram, and after that you have to go to the Telegram board like I am here. So once you are on your Telegram board, all you have to do is to launch Blum coin over here. So you launch Blum application over here. So once the application will be on, the mining will automatically start. So what you can do is you can increase the mine rate per second. So that is one thing that you can contribute the bot in. So you guys can see that the farming is already going on. All I can do is increase the farming per minute rate. So how I can do it? By completing these sort of challenges, by like verifying using the crypto different sort of socials, by watching the videos on YouTube, X, by following them on social media. This will increase the BP of my mining. So that's how I can actually do it. So in order to get the best mining rate and farming rate in your Blum, all you have to do is to complete all the quests and tasks. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.